This video is going to talk about finishing off the site with things like social media and your footer and so on. So I'm going to cover some miscellaneous topics in this video. And so our social media icons are here and they're also down here. And we have our footer text and links and things like that in the footer. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's go back to our site content management system. We're in the setup tab and we're going to go to these social icons. And basically all you're going to do is you're going to add all the social icon URLs that you have. You want to make sure you put in the HTTP and you want to make sure you put in whatever your account URL is. So we have our Facebook one, our Twitter, our Instagram. You can go down with Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. I recommend having like 3 maybe so you don't overload your navigation. And then we have this option here, which is a mail to option. If you put that in, it's going to create this icon here. So if somebody clicks here, it's going to spawn their email browser and start creating an email that goes directly to your email. In order to do that, you type in mail to colon and then whatever your email address is. All one word, no spaces. So mail to colon and then the email address directly following, and that will create that little mail icon. So we have anything that we've added shows up. Anything that we have not added, like Pinterest, YouTube, and LinkedIn, those icons don't show up because there's nothing there. So fill those in and click save. The next thing I want to talk about is the footer. Like how do you get these items in there? So I'm going to go into our settings tab, and you're going to see this footer left section and this footer right section. The footer left section, whatever you type in here, is going to show up on the left right here. And then anything that you put on the right is going to show up on the right. So I want to show you some of the things that I did. So this is really cool. I'm just going to delete this real quick. You can type in something like PO Box, whatever your address is, if you want to put that in there. And you can even make this a link. So if I want to link this to something, I can use the link button. So I'll show you again that little link icon. So I highlight it, click that link icon, and then I'll type in an HTTP address. So if you go to Google Maps and you click on the embed, and it gives you that long string to share that link. You can go ahead and paste that right in here. So right now I'm just going to type google.com just to have something in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. And that makes this a hyperlink. So if I were to refresh it, and I come down here, whoops, I got to click save first. Go to the bottom and click save. If I were to refresh this, it's going to create that text down there that's going to be a link as well. And that's how you add links, and that's how you add footer information. If you have any questions about the social media stuff or the footer, don't hesitate to put in a support ticket and let us know. We're happy to help you any way we can.